Osama's death and the biggest manhunt ending is still creating headlines. The virtual world is abuzz with questions. Where's the body? Where are the pictures? Why did the operation take place?
Well, here are some of the most incredible conspiracy theories now doing the rounds.
Osama bin Laden may have been buried without a trace, but considering his iconic status, the announcement of his death lacks a narrative, which America's quick disposal of his body has failed to provide. The net is increasingly rife with doubts, some credible, some bizarre. One of the biggest questions asked is, where is Osama's body? America's official explanation that they use facial recognition software and DNA testing to confirm with 99.9% confidence that Osama had in fact been killed are in the end official claims, hardly accessible to a common man. Why dump the body into the sea is the public refrain. Many of the bloggers argue that Osama was believed to have been dead for years, and more so in political relevance, which is completely lost after the recent pro-democracy movement in the Middle East.
Justice has been done.
In such an atmosphere, this speech makes the president look out of touch and is being compared to Bush's mission accomplished speech on the Iraq war. Some bloggers question the validity of the announcement, asking why it was made before the DNA tests happened. Some claim that US officials discovered the body was not Osama's only after Barack Obama made his speech. The Taliban are not the only ones who claim bin Laden is still alive. A string of Facebook pages claim the same. One such page asks, where is the proof that he died? Show me the picture. If he were killed, which the Americans say he was, then it would make immense sense for them to make the body public. More bizarre theories have come from the US. One theorist says that Osama was murdered by his own associates in 2007. Radio host Alex Jones believes Obama froze bin Laden for years and then thawed him out just in time for Obama's re-election. Others say Osama's death proves nothing. Bin Laden was rather an insignificant figure in the Al-Qaeda. Blogger Atul Chitnis tweets, the belief that his death will stop terrorism is delusional. One of the frequently asked questions on the net is whether it is right to celebrate the death of a person, no matter how hated he was.